Hi, today we are reviewing the VTIN waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It is lightweight and is built with a durable rubber body. Inside the box you will find one user manual, one speaker, one AUX cable, and one charging cable. The speaker itself is IPX6 waterproof and dustproof certified. It is made of rubber to support drops and wear and tear, making the speaker a value buy. You can connect to it via Bluetooth 4.2 or via the AUX cable. You can control your smartphone or whatever device connected to the speaker by just clicking the buttons above the speaker. For example, if you click the pause and play button, you pause the video. And if you press and hold the plus and minus button, you get to forward and back with your playlist. Great for controlling your music and videos. There is a bass plus button on the speaker.
Normal mode.
If you press it, you get to enhance the bass on the speaker to make it
Bass mode.
louder and powerful. Overall, the speaker is a value buy for about $20 US. This speaker is on fire sale now on Amazon. Grab it whilst stocks last. Original price is $40 US.